Sound of Christmas. Gather around and be of good cheer. Christmas time is finally here. I love the sounds of Christmas. Deck the halls and jingle bells, the soothing familiarity of the words, the lilting voices singing of Noel. I love the tastes of Christmas, the gingerbread and the candy canes, the delicious sweet sensations that soothe away any pain. I love the feelings of Christmas, the warmth and good cheer, the smiles on everyone's face that brighten the entire year. I love all parts of Christmas, the carols, the food, the trees, the family love that binds us and builds lasting memories.